Predatory act and some kind of symbol.
Predatory act?
That's predatory.
Besides the predatory schmucks.
Predatory act, remember?
Predatory opportunist in town.
Which revealed predatory priests.
The traditionally predatory animals.
A predatory prey evolution.
But a predatory flautist to
Snade is predatory.
And in my heart, I love you.
Shopping spree! Spree, anyone?
On a spree!
Perpetual spree.
A lark, a spree. It's
Shopping spree!
Yeah, violent killing spree, y'all.
Prowl! 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 Ratchet! Prowl! Are you okay, Prowl? Yeah.
Procure!
To procure your services. To procure your services.
To procure a crew.
It wasn't easy to procure.
Procuring boats with...
Item being procured. What has been procured?
Yes, by proxy.
As a proxy.
Repeat proxy device.
Proxy what?
Dr. O'Malley's the proxy.
Consider me a proxy.
Saul's got my proxy.
I'm busy. Proxy statement. Proxy battle tactical shit.
You're the anonymous proxy.
Catering?
My name is Walker, the scout.
I think we're safe until the train stops.
Would I do that?
Catering crisis.
No catering.
The caterer.
The caterer.
Beverly Caterer.
Caterers. Caterer.
So, cater.
Catering?
My name is Walker, the scout.
I think we're safe until the train stops.
Would I do that?
Catering crisis.
No catering.
Few.
Haven.
It's New Haven.
Like New Haven.
Known simply as Haven.
It's a safe haven.
It's a safe haven.
Stupid safe haven law.
Is it New Haven?
Heaven.
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 Heavenly?
Heavenly.
Heavenly Father.
Heavenly Father!
Heavy?
Heavy.
What are you gonna...
Heavy.
Heavy. Heavy.
Heavy.
I mean, heavyweight problems need heavyweight solutions.
Heavyweight championship.
Heavyweight! Shut up! Are you a heavyweight? I'm a heavyweight! I'm a heavyweight. All right, we're all heavyweights!
I'm a heavyweight champion. I'm an heavyweight.
Are you a heavyweight? I'm a heavyweight. All right.
Has some heft.
It oppresses like the heft.
An office phone needs heft.
You got a little heft to it.
You couldn't heft an axe.
Well, give your tail some heft!
See heft to it?
And the heft of my body.
Tell him more heft, she said.
I'd go somewhere with more heft.
Meg. Hefty, hefty, hefty. Whippy, whippy, whippy.
Pretty hefty.
Ooh, hefty.
Brainy. Hefty.
You are hefty.
This way.
A hefty prize.
Hefty.
You got it.
Wreak havoc.
Getting serious havoc.
Beast, huh?
Me? Wreak havoc?
To wreaking havoc.
Wreak havoc.
The show to wreak havoc.
Havoc ensue.
Behave.
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 Behave. Behave. Behave.
Behave.
Let's misbehave.
Misbehave in class.
Misbehave.
I aim to misbehave.
But always misbehave.
Ollie, does your husband misbehave?
You man misbehave.
You never misbehave. You mustn't misbehave. That's it.
We're gonna misbehave.
Hawk. Hawks! Hawk.
Hawk. Hawk.
Hawk.
Hawk.
Hawk.
Hawk.
Get.
The getaway.
Away.
Getaway.
Right.
Get away.
Joe. Stay. Go. Get. Stay.
Great.
Quick getaway.
All right. Move along.
Get. If you put me. I give up.
Guess.
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 Yes.
Guess.
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 Yes. She doesn't comprehend.
To comprehend.
Style comprehend.
To comprehend.
Can you comprehend it?
No, I can't comprehend. Your petty mind cannot comprehend.
Then help me comprehend.
What don't you comprehend?
Comprehensive Catholic.
And comprehensive.
Comprehensive security.
Very comprehensive.
This is comprehensive. Clear and comprehensive. Sign a comprehensive release.
Counselor, state, local, comprehensive.
Comprehensive assessment. That's absurd. I mean, some
Post-hip fucking comprehensive.
Beyond comprehension.
Nearing comprehension necessary.
Comprehension skills subpar.
Being listened to with total comprehension.
Abbey Comprehension 101.
Non-human comprehension?
It defies our comprehension.
Incomprehensible.
Almost incomprehensible. Scratch is incomprehensible.
It's incomprehensible.
Incomprehensible.
Reprehensible.
You're reprehensible.
Here is reprehensible.
You're reprehensible.
You reprehensible recreant.
Mad, bad, and morally reprehensible.
This is morally reprehensible.
The most reprehensible perpetrators.
The reprehensible travel agency.
No matter how reprehensible.
A reprieve.
Tonight's your last reprieve.
We'd get a reprieve.
Beg for a reprieve, mother.
Beg for a reprieve, Ambrose.
This is not a reprieve.
A last minute remorse reprieve?
The governor.
Hoping for last minute reprieve.
It's comprised only about
That comprise it.
Our alumni donations comprise 80% of it.
You ladies comprise a book club?
Altogether, these resorts comprise Dalo.
goiter, manifesting the comprising.
The most lucrative.
water is comprised of.
Comprised of nonsense words.
Are comprised of radioactive debris.
Enterprise. Enterprise.
Enterprise.
Enterprise.
Enterprise.
Enterprise.
Enterprise.
Enterprise.
Enterprise. Enterprise.
An entrepreneur.
An entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Billionaire entrepreneur. It's like entrepreneur.
Busy being an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur, spiritualist, healer.
I'm an entrepreneur.
He's an entrepreneur.
Antiquities dealer. Entrepreneur.
Apprehend him?
Apprehend him.
Not apprehend. Dead.
And to apprehend them.
Apprehend that rodent!
Apprehended?
Is apprehended.
Suspect apprehended.
Apprehensive?
Apprentice. Get stuffed, you're my apprentice.
Your apprentice.
Your apprentice.
Rafiki's new apprentice.
Young apprentice.
The butcher's apprentice!
I'm the butcher's apprentice.
You're an apprentice.
Ollie Pirate Apprentice. Right.
The apprenticeship.
Your apprenticeship?
A year-long apprenticeship.
And a pretty impressive apprenticeship.
I'm not taking Ford's apprenticeship.
I'm here for my apprenticeship.
The criminal apprenticeship of Archie Andrews.
Monsieur Nescaffier, even during his apprenticeship.
Did you not read your apprenticeship contract?
If you want to take Ford's apprenticeship,